boy sexy. Really gonna be making someone's camp really get that structure, that look. Look at him. Y'all can't say that's not a perfect boy. He's gonna be really small too. He's actually one of our smallest in the litter of 4. One of 2 boys. Boy had a little bit of boogers, so we're gonna clean that. Make sure you always calm down. This is one of our females. I don't know if you can really see her color, but oh, she's a chocolate fawn. Real good wrinkles on that girl. She's really gonna be a defined structure. She's really good. Really good for the camp. And we actually have a stud back that her contract's gonna go with because we got a blue tricolor fawn that we want to mix with her. Ooh, look at that. The ropes on her are ridiculous. In there. Look at that. In there. She's gonna be a gem for sure. We got more puppies behind you, screaming and whatnot. She didn't really have puppies. Let me see. Come here. Who are you? Ooh, and this is another female. She's gonna be our biggest female. Woo! Look at the structure on that girl. Even me trying to loosen up, she has those ropes. She's a red and white. Really beautiful. Structure there. Good health. She's a very good eater. She'll never shy away, you can tell. Look at big girl. Look at that face. Look at that face. Look at those ropes. Those ropes by themselves will give you something. Real good addition to a person's camp. Behind you guys, I got the Shih Tzus over there. Trying to get a little bit of the shine time, which also we have available for sale. Good little Christmas gift. Hyperallergenic for those who are allergic to dogs and can't really stand the fur being in the air and stuff. Back to the English Bulldogs. Or the low interruptions in the back still want to get some shine time. Look at that. Look at short legs. Definitely going to be on the micro side. I have parents really short. Both parents are with us, so you would be able to see both parents, what they'll produce, what they might look like. We're going to get blood tested. We have one more male. Just waiting for him to come to the gate. And him. And then there was him. Structure. Head. Look at that head. This head definitely. See? Shih Tzus don't want to let me play. They don't want to play. They don't want to share no video time. Look at this. That boy right there is a key to any successful breed. Big stud. His dad is one of the heaviest we got on the camp. Big ropes like him. We call him Big Stepper. This boy is definitely gonna give you something. Merle brindle all the way around. Really fawn color and without this red light hue. I don't know if you can see it, but no, can't see it. See, when we show you the Englishes in the sunshine, that fawn's really gonna show up because like inside right here with the red light, it's a little cold in here, so like with the red light you can't really see it. But look at that. Big, I can't even get this boy in the camera. Look at that. Crazy. Call him Big Stepper, Naruto. My girl calls him Naruto. She might try to keep this one, so you better get in before she gets attached. Big boy.